Welcome back to another video. Hope you're all doing well. In today's video I'm just going to show you my fire kit, what tinder I use and what I bring with me on a hike. So this is a very special thing to me. My mother used to keep this downstairs in the drawer under the tea towels, and if ever I was stuck for a fiver or a tenner, she could say, "Oh, it's in the tin, go take it in the tin," and I'd go and do that. So that's what I keep my fat wood shavings in. The backhoe saw here and the twin set goes with it has never let me down. So I have never had to sharpen the blade on the saw. The knife is sticky sharp, and I took the leather part into the blade here to save it flapping about in the bag, and I'll break down what's in the little small pouch here, which is from a small mini light. Also I've changed the zips on it, cut the zips off and put them tabs on it, which I showed you in the previous video. So I'll break down what's inside this now in a minute. I'll take everything out. So this is the contents of my fire kit, which is a aperture was a light, so there's two compartments in it, and this is what I keep. And this is a light my fire. It's for like the grandpa's fire stick, I think it's called. It's for put a stick in here and it catches in here and it holds, so you can, it's handy for cooking sausages over the fire, and it doesn't weigh much at all. This is a bellows. This is a TBS, the Bushcraft store fire steel. It's probably one of the best fire steels I've ever used. The sparks off it are amazing. I have some Dynaglide. I modified it with some Dynaglide, and this is off a different brand, which is Light My Fire steel, which wasn't great, so but it is a good striker. This is some birch bark, some fat wood sticks, but now I'm able to find my own fat wood. These are some eco-friendly lighters. There's no paraffin or anything in them, so I use them to light my egg barbecue out the back. And this is my fat wood shavings, which I've showed you in a previous video, and the tin I keep it in. And this tape is excellent. I got this a roll of it. Sometimes American products come onto the Amazon.co.uk site, and it is a resin tape, and it really takes one spark and it goes for a while, but it's great tinder, so I always keep a small bit of that in the pack. And that's the contents of my fire kit. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you again in another video. Stay safe.